Hi my little kids, this is your teacher Yadira. Welcome to another class. And how are you? I hope you are fine. Kids, as you know, today is Wednesday and it's time to cook. But before to do it, you are going to write your recipe. And what is a recipe? Okay, kids, the recipe helps you to know how to prepare or cook a specific dish or food. For example, you want to cook a pizza? You need to have some elements to do it. They are the ingredients, a list of what you need to prepare something. We also have the steps. They tell you how to prepare or cook the food that you want. They are one by one. Now, kids, you are going to write one recipe. So please go to page 78. Here we have the activity number 1. For this activity, you are going to choose your favorite snack because we are going to write the recipe for it. But first, write the ingredients that you need to cook it. That is on the left side. And on the right, you are going to paste or draw the picture about the snack that you chose. For example, I chose the chocolate cake. After, we have the activity number 2. Here, you need to circle the utensils that you will need to prepare your recipe. If you cannot see one utensil that you need to draw it. And you have the rectangle to do it. According to me, I'm going to use the mixer. What about you? Then, in the little bubble, you are going to write any family recipe that you remember. I wrote lasagna because my mom cooks lasagna on my birthdays. When you finish, go to page 79. Here we have the activity number 3, and that is the last for today. In that space, it's time to write your recipe about the snack that you chose. First, we have the space to write the name of the food. After that, you are going to write again the ingredients that you need. And finally, the steps that you need to follow to cook your favorite snack. And we have some examples. The chocolate cake, that is the recipe that I chose. We have the ingredients. And then we have the steps. And we also have a recipe to cook a lemon cake. And that's it. When you finish to write your recipe, you can cook your favorite snack. And don't forget that we have our Zoom class. Kids, if you have any question or doubt, you can write me. And the most important thing, don't forget our Zoom classes every day. My kids, see you tomorrow. Goodbye. I love you so much.